Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by measuring 1 kg rye berries and pour in 5 liters of water, then soak for 12 to 18 hours so kernels hydrate thoroughly. After soaking, simmer the grains 10 to 15 minutes until they split slightly, then drain to reach a target moisture of 45% to 55%. Grains should feel heavy but not wet. Fill heat-resistant jars or filter bags loosely, leaving headspace. Then sterilize at 15 psi in a pressure cooker for 90 minutes and cool to room temperature before inoculation. Set up a laminar flow hood or a still air box and disinfect all surfaces. Cleanliness prevents contamination. Use either liquid culture or agar. For liquid culture, aim for 10% to 20% inoculation by volume, or transfer 1 to 2 agar wedges per 1 kg grain for strong, even starts. After inoculation, incubate grain at 20 degrees C to 24 degrees C. Check daily and gently shake bottles when 20% to 40% colonized to redistribute mycelium and speed full colonization. Once grain is fully colonized, use it as spawn by mixing into supplemented sawdust or pasteurized hardwood chips at a spawn-to-substrate ratio of 4 to 6 depending on substrate nutrition. Pack into monotubs or grow bags, incubate until consolidated, then initiate fruiting by introducing fresh air, lowering CO2, and maintaining 85% to 95% relative humidity. Provide indirect light for a 12-hour cycle. You should see pom primordia in 1 to 2 weeks after fruiting conditions are set, and expect harvestable colonies in
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.